The 2025 Caterpillar G12 Motor Grader is an advanced piece of machinery designed for tough terrain and precise grading tasks. Ideal for large construction sites, mining operations, and road maintenance, this motor grader combines powerful performance with cutting-edge technology. Built to tackle any job with efficiency, reliability, and safety in mind, the G12 sets a new benchmark for grading equipment in the 2025 lineup. Exterior: the exterior design of the 2025 Caterpillar G12 is both rugged and functional. It features a sleek, aerodynamic chassis that minimizes drag while maintaining optimal strength. The grader is finished in a striking white color, highlighting its robust build. It is equipped with heavy-duty tires that provide excellent traction on diverse surfaces, whether soft, muddy, or rocky. The operator's cabin is spacious, featuring all-around visibility, ergonomic controls, and a durable structure to withstand harsh working conditions. Performance: the Caterpillar G12 Motor Grader boasts exceptional performance, powered by a turbocharged engine that provides immense horsepower. The grader's 12-foot moldboard ensures high efficiency in material handling and leveling tasks. With a state-of-the-art hydraulic system, the G12 offers smooth and precise blade adjustments for superior accuracy. Its enhanced maneuverability and advanced traction control system make it a versatile machine capable of handling everything from fine grading to heavy road maintenance. The motor grader is equipped with Caterpillar's advanced grade control and automation technology, which ensures maximum precision and reduces the need for manual intervention. This reduces the time required for grading, enhances productivity, and improves accuracy in finishing work. The G12 also excels in fuel efficiency, lowering operational costs while maintaining peak performance. Price: the 2025 Caterpillar G12 Motor Grader is priced in the mid to high range for its class, reflecting its powerful capabilities and advanced features. The cost typically varies based on location, dealer, and any additional configurations or attachments chosen by the buyer. On average, the starting price for a new G12 motor grader is around $250,000 to $350,000, though specialized models or configurations may cost more. Safety is paramount with the 2025 Caterpillar G12. The cabin is equipped with rollover protective structures (ROPS) and falling object protective structures (FOPS) to ensure the operator's safety during operation. Additionally, the machine's design focuses on stability and balance, significantly reducing the risk of tipping in uneven terrains. The advanced traction control system also improves stability on slippery or loose surfaces. The G12 features automatic warnings and system alerts that keep operators informed of any potential maintenance issues or operational limits. Enhanced lighting and reflective decals improve visibility, ensuring safe operation in low-light conditions. Furthermore, the cabin is designed with excellent air circulation and noise reduction features, providing a comfortable and safe working environment for the operator. Overall, the 2025 Caterpillar G12 Motor Grader is an excellent choice for contractors and businesses looking for a reliable, high-performance machine. Its combination of precision, power, and safety features makes it ideal for various grading tasks. With advanced technology, exceptional durability, and impressive fuel efficiency, the G12 sets the standard for motor graders in its class. While the investment cost may be substantial, its productivity, low operating costs, and long lifespan make it a sound financial choice for heavy-duty applications.